Nah, I wear underwear. You said, I don't wanna look at you. Natutuwa ako sa kanya kasi palagi siyang bumibisita kapag andun ako sa labas na takbo-takbo yan. Can I open it?
Interesting question.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning everything! Good morning po! So ngayon guys, today is Monday and nakapag-base na tayo, nagpantalon lang ako at ito yung sinuot ko kasi maginaw-ginaw din sa labas. So si Tami pauwi yun dito. For now, wala pa siya dito kasi naliligo pa siya and hinihintay niya yung mailman para mag-deliver ng mga sulat. So, hinihintay niya kung kailan i-deliver and then pauwi siya dito. And yun. Ako naman, aalis ako pero para may makain din kami guys. Kasi nanonood ako ng news on very So, paalis tayo. Punta tayong store para bibili po ako ng gulay at salad ni Tami. Hindi pa pala ako dito tapos sa nag-vacuum. Kailangan ko palang i-vacuum dito yung sa laundry area. It's already 12 something o'clock at hindi pa ako nakaalis. Hindi naman din ako nagmamadali. And dito tayo sa basement kasi mayroon tayong kukunin na pang-ulam natin. Ito, mag-defrost tayo. And then bukas, I think magluto tayo ng pasta at saka ito, meatballs. Itong meatballs sa Kirkland galing Costco. Masarap yan, guys. So, mag-defrost ako ng ito. May nakita akong bacon. Oh, may bacon dito. Ito na lang. Mag-defrost din ako ng bacon para bukas ng umaga. Meron tayong bacon. And then, itong lamb na gustong-gusto naming dalawa from Costco. Ito 13 bucks. 22 total price, unit price. Hala, bakit 22? What the heck? It's $22. Akala ko 11 per pound. Oh my god, it's not gonna happen again. Sabihin ko nga ito kay Tami. $11 per pound. Hindi pala siya 11. Oh my goodness. Kaya pala apat yung binili ni Tami. Kaya pala ang laki naming nabayaran sa Costco yung pumunta kami. But anyway, so tawagan ko lang si Tami kung ano nang bali-balita doon. Hi, B-boy.
That was funny, right?
Yeah.
Did you poop your pants? Yes. A lot? No, a little or a lot? A lot.
Editing, honey, editing.
You gotta like it. It was still fun.
No, I think that's what really he said. And then they just have to make a thing.
Yeah, they just changed what they asked.
Yeah, they just changed what they asked. Any mailman over there? I'm sure it's already almost 1 o'clock.
You didn't come yet.
Han ka muna, baby. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for
So
you.
what are you doing? Your lipstick's up and you're dressed, nice, not...
I'm going to the store. I told you.
You're gonna try, you're gonna see if you can get guayabanas?
Han, I just wanna be looking good when you get home. When you get home, you said, wow, my wife is pretty. But you never say that anyway.
You're always pretty anyway.
No.
Joker?
No, you're joking and you don't believe that.
It don't matter if you're wearing, like, raggedy friggin' house pants. Makes no difference.
Yeah, right.
That's not what makes you pretty. You don't get it.
No.
You really don't.
No, but I never hear you said, wow, you look good, Han. Wow, that looks good on you. Never.
A lot.
Well, hun, that's because I go out, get dressed up, and like, that's normally something you say when somebody wears something extraordinary they never wear.
Nah, I wear underwear. You said, I don't want to look at you. Ay. I'm going to get something. I defrost some lamb. And then, I'm planning to get some vegetables. Okay guys, alis tayo guys. Hindi na ako mag-vlog. Hindi ko nadalhin yung camera. At saka, naghanap ako ng car key at saka wallet. Andun pala sa bag ko. Pinasok ko pala dahil yung magkita sana kami ng kapatid ni Tami and hindi natuloy. Naluka ako. Hi guys, I'm home. Pero, teka muna guys ha. Nagmamadali. Ay, binuo ko move. Don't talk to me like that. Ay, nagmamadali ako guys. Magkubad po ako. Kailangan kong tignan sarili ko. Move! Teka muna ha. Move! Maghubad muna ako. Ay, binuo ko. May kumakagat sa akin guys. Grabe, kanina pa. And gusto kong tignan kung ano yun. Hala ka. Hala, ano yun? Tignan mo na guys. Ano yun? Kanina pa yun ah. Kumakagat sa akin. Nag-ano yung pa ako. Look, oh, may kagat talaga. Nagsulin. Hala ka. May kagat ah. Oh my God. Nagsulin talaga. Dito, oh, dito talaga ako kinagat. Sa baba ng paa ko. Ay, ay, ay. Ito lang yung binili ko, guys. Kunti lang talaga. Lang madali ang grocery. Yun na. Salad ni Mr. Romaine. And gusto niya ng dark chocolate na silk almond. Gusto niya yung malaking container, pero wala akong nakita eh. For now, yun lang muna. And, use ko muna ito, guys. And then, itong atsal. Tika muna, guys. Oh, bakit makati? Pa ako, ha? Pa ako yung makati, guys. Dito sa legs ko dito sa mahita talaga. At tinitignan ko baka may may hindi ako alam. And then, onion. And para bukas, potato. Para bukas yan. Then, ito, gabi. Para mamayang gabi. String beans. And then, bumili din ako ng refill sa, para pabango sa bedroom. Naluka ako, guys, kasi before ako umalis, nagpunta ako sa, sa garden. Nagpunta ako doon. Tinitingnan ko yung string beans ko. Kasi yung string beans ko nag-sprout na. Sabi ko, bakit yung string beans nag-sprout na? Pero parang nakalabas lahat. Parang may tinutuka ba? Sabi ko, sino bang tumutuka dito? Wala naman tayong manok. So, pagdating ko, nakita ko yung mga ibon. Doon pala sila nagtambay, naghihintay ng pagkain. Kaluka na luka ako itong mga ibon to. Sabi ko, mga luka-luka kayo. Sus, binubugaw ko eh. Binubugaw. Iba yung sa Tagalog yung binubugaw ah. Inano ko, pinaalis ko kasi naluka kayo, mga mga kigwa talaga. Yung sino yung tumutuka-tuka ng mga gulay ko doon. Sobrang aga pa pala dito, guys. Nakalimutan ko, May pala, last week of May, dapat akong mag-start mag-plant. Na sobrang excited ko, akala ko ready na, kaya pala yung iba hindi tumubo. Wala talaga dahil na ginawan, and then paggabi sobrang ginaw talaga, 30 something degrees, so sobrang ginaw, below freezing paminsan, walang tumubo yung iba. Buti na lang yung string beans nakasurvive sa ginaw, kasi dapat pala talaga hindi pa ako dapat magsidling o magtanim like yung zucchini, hindi tumubo. Yung cucumber sobrang naagahan ko, Abril pa nag-start na ako. Sabi ko dapat pala last week of May or, mga nasa 70 degree. So, next week, akala ko this week is maganda yung temperature. Kung wala na akong zucchini, magpunta ako sa tindahan, bibili na lang ako ng sidling kaysa liso. So, sidling na lang yung bibilhin natin para, para ready na ba? Yun. habang naghihintay tayo kay Tami, ang gagawin ko is mag-cut ng mga sangkap para sa salad niya. Nag-ano pa rin ako, nagproblema ako, ano yung kumagat sa akin hanggang ngayon, problemado ko pa rin. And then feeling ko, ang daming sa katawan ko, ang daming nagko-crawl over talaga. Yan guys, nilagay ko na yung lamb sa loob para pagdating ni Tami, mga it's 4:12 na kasi, so pagdating niya mamaya, ready na yan. Dada is coming. Mama want to throw up. Gusto ko masuka guys, oy. What are you crying? He's coming. Dad is coming. You guys are Dada's little girls. You guys are Dada's little girls. Yeah? You are the happiest dog on earth when you see Dada, huh? Is that what it is? You love your Dada so much? Doesn't know about Daddy. Daddy! Where's Daddy? Where's Dada? Daddy! Where's Daddy, Tommy? Tommy! Daddy Tommy! Roxy confused when si Roxy. I said, why you call Daddy and Tommy? All I know is Dada. Look. Oh, she's so sad. Ganyan yan siya, guys. Masasad kapag palagi kong sinasabi Daddy is coming and then wala si Tommy dumating. Ganyan yan siya, look. Are you sad? Are you sad? Dada's coming, man. Dada's coming. Misty! Where you going? Where's Dada? Huh? Tapos na yung string beans. And ito yung pang-ano natin ng salad. Tapos na rin yung salad. Inano ko lang siya dyan. And then, i-transfer ko siya dito mamaya. Pauwi na si Mister. So, malapit na siya dito. Tinawagan ko ay ang light on para i-check ko lang yung driveway, yung garahian namin, baka maano siya. Flower pot. Yung mga flower, mga natin ng flower. And dyan. And then baka sagasaan niya ba. Uy, tumaas talaga yung tumaas yan na siya. Tumaas sala. Itong eggplant ba, hindi talaga siya masaya, guys. Look. Pero hindi ko pa sila tina-transfer. Nagbulak na yung mga natin. Halaman. Look, maganda na siya. Lumalabas yung mga color pink. Hi, Liam. Tingnan niyo to si Liam. Hi, Lily. Hello, Liam. Hi, Liam. How are you? How are you? Punta yan dyan. How are you, Lily? Hi. Come here. Liam. Come. Come here, Liam. Come over here. Liam, come here. Come. Just good boy. Good boy si Liam, oy. Oh, it's nice to see you visit me here. You visit me, Liam. Shush. Lily, oy. Hi, Liam. Si Dimples, oh. Nakatingin si Dimples. Liam. Hi, Liam. You're very friendly. Yes, you are. You're friendly. Oh. You're so friendly. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, pretty. You're a handsome boy. Liam. Hi, Lily. Come. Ang gandang pusa. Ang ganda yung color niya, no? Sobrang ganda. Puti at itim. Hi, Liam. Hello, baby. Dimples. Hi, Lily. You cannot go inside. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok sa bahay kasi may dalawang dilubyo. Si Misty at si Roxy. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok. Hindi ka po pwedeng pumasok, ha? Lily? Hi, Lily. You're so friendly. Oh, you're so friendly. Sobrang cute. Where you going, Hoy? May nakita. Where you going, Lily? Liam! Liam! May nakita. Si Liam, natutuwa ako sa kanya kasi palagi siyang bumibisita kapag andun ako sa labas na takbo-takbo yan. So, palagi tayong may bisita dito every time na, hindi man every time, kung andun ako sa kung nandyan ako sa labas and then maririnig niya ako, tatakbo talaga siya. Wala, hi Dimples! Are you curious what happened to Mama? Ang ganda ng puno. Maganda talaga siya. Ito din. Magandang puno din, di ba? Japanese maple po yan, guys. Ito, oh. Nakuan ako ba? Kasi, never po itong, nagkaganyan na sobrang daming bulaklak. At saka ito, pari-pariha pala ito, at saka ito. And then, ito din binili ko, pariha din. Hindi ko na malaya na pariha pala. Ito siya iba. Pariha sila ng pangalan, pero pula po ang, niyan, pula. Look. Pumunta sa kapitbahay. Mr. Cupido is here. Happy kids talaga. Always. Careful. Is that... Where's your daddy? Where is your daddy that you love so much? I know you smell it. Roxy? Roxy? Is that how happy you are? You kiss your sister, huh? You kiss? Where is... Oh, it smell like Liam. Oh, smell. Did you smell Liam? Where's Dada? Dada? Oh, where is Dada?
Hi.
Kapatid ni Tami. Matagal na yung birthday ko na, last month.
I get nothing.
Huh?
I get nothing on my phone.
Can I open it?
Interesting question.
What is that question?
No, I got nothing. Sorry.
She likes buying jewelry.
How do you know, Joey?
Because I know. It's a jewelry.
That's pretty.
This is here,
Yeah, present.
bracelet.
Oh, give me a minute. Jeez,
I think I thought it's expandable, but it's not. Ah, this is how you do it.
They didn't have any more big one?
They don't. I look in ShopRite. They don't have one. Look, she's mad. Look how cute is this. It's so delicate looking, right?
Yeah. You're annoying.
Okay, I'm gonna.
You are freaking annoying.
I'm going to message her later.
She says several survivors of human trafficking identified during multi-county human trafficking operation that led to arrest of 10 and
So, ang nangyari, ito yung ginawa ko. Pinakat ko siya and pina-fry ko para mag-enjoy talaga ako ba. Kasi mas enjoyable yung lamb kapag ganyang luto. Hi guys, kinuha ko na yung makeup kasi ng oras, almost 8 o'clock na. And galing ako sa labas, tinitignan ko nag-ano ako sa labas kanina. Kasi may nakita akong groundhog sa backyard. So, yung ginawa ko is nag-survey ako sa paligid. Kasi baka yung groundhog nagdidig somewhere. And then, alam nyo na. Diba yung sabon, hindi nagwo-work. Spring soap, hindi siya nag-work. Ang ginawa ko is oregano dried. Oregano, yung sa mabibili mo sa tindahan. Oregano, thyme, and ano pa. Yun, oregano. Kasi maano talaga yung oregano, sobrang strong. At saka parsley. Oh, hindi parsley, oregano, thyme, and basil. Basil. And saka, inisspray ko sa front porch. hindi bumalik. Hopefully, hindi sila babalik. And then, yung binili ko na peppermint, hindi ko pa siya nilagay sa paligid ng bahay, yung sa harapan, sa shed. Hindi ko pa nilagay kasi maginaw, baka mamatay. Yung eggplant, hindi ko pa din tinatransplant kasi maginaw, so baka mamatay, ganun. So, hindi ko na siya, So, anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the vlog. And I will see you guys tomorrow. But anyway, guys, kita-kits tayo bukas. And, yeah, kita-kits tayo bukas. Salamat. Bye. Good night, guys. Pero, hindi pa madilim sa labas. Pero, good night na kasi almost 8 o'clock.